Hi, and welcome to my channel where I'll be making videos to help you study for your next biology exam. Let's kick it off with the basics of ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that studies how organisms interact with each other and their environment. The two key vocab words that you need to know before anything else are abiotic and biotic. Abiotic refers to the non-living things that make up the environment, such as the sun and the clouds, rocks, and temperature. On the other hand, biotic refers to all the living things in the environment, such as plants, fungi, bacteria, and animals. Before we go a little more in depth, we need to know the levels of ecological organization. This is similar to the levels of biological organization, but that's a whole other video. The first level of ecological organization is individual, which is one organism from one specific species. As shown by the picture, we have one butterfly. The next level is population, multiple members of the same species. In contrast to how we only had one butterfly in the previous slide, this time we have a population of butterflies since there is more than one. This goes for any organism. The butterfly is just an example. You can have a population of deer, a population of bacteria, and so on. The next level is community, which is when members of multiple different species are interacting with one another at the same time and place. You could also think of it as different populations interacting with each other. Note that this definition does not include any abiotic factors, which, if you remember from the slide at the very beginning, are non-living things. For example, this picture here only includes living things. The reason for this is because when you do include abiotic factors, your community becomes an ecosystem. An ecosystem is defined as a community of organisms interacting with each other and their environment. In contrast to the picture on the previous slide, this one clearly shows both abiotic and biotic factors. The next level of ecological organization is biome. The definition of a biome includes a specific geographic area as well as the plants and animals that live there. One biome can consist of multiple ecosystems that are similar to each other, but at the same time discrete. Here on the slide, we have pictures of two different biomes that are very different from one another. Obviously, the one on the left has a lot of vegetation, especially compared to the one on the right, which is mainly covered in snow. This tells us that they exist in different parts of the world. This leads to the final stage of ecological organization, the biosphere. Frankly, the only biosphere is planet Earth. The technical definition is all the ecosystems that make up a planet, but since Earth is the only planet that we know of so far to possess life, the Earth is the only biosphere. Alright, thanks for staying tuned till the end of part 1. In my next video, part 2, I will be discussing the different types of biomes as well as population growth. I hope you enjoyed this short intro, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Let's kick